AI is creating massive trust problems in e-commerce. Fake stores are popping up everywhere, and they're making it harder and harder for legitimate brands to connect with their customers. We're experiencing a trust recession, and AI is absolutely fueling it. Here's what I'm seeing. Fake AI brands selling cheap products, websites that look like they were built in a few hours. Everything on them is fake reviews, fake copy, fake images. And these stores are up and running with Facebook ads within 48 to 72 hours. Now, when you visit these sites, nothing feels authentic at all. The copy reads like ChatGPT. The product images look AI generated. The reviews, obviously, fake. But I realize I am a jagged marketer. From a customer's perspective, they're scrolling Facebook or they're on Instagram. They see an ad for a product. They hit it. Now they can't tell going to the website if this is a legitimate brand that's been around for 5 years or an AI store that just launched yesterday. This creates a trust problem for everyone in e-commerce. What's real? What's fake? But it's not all doom and gloom at all. It's actually never been easier to distinguish amongst all the AI slop. Brand content, owner content, specifically owner content crushes. It crushes extremely hard because it's actually kind of a hard thing to pin an owner down and get. Now, if you can actually do it, pin them down, here's what you need to get them to speak to. Number one, articulate why they should buy from your company. Start with the problem you solve, not your product features, the actual problem in your customer's life. AI stores, they try to do this, but they don't really understand real customer pain points. They don't understand feels. Number two, what makes you different? This is where you separate both from competitors and AI garbage. Maybe you source your materials a little differently. Maybe you have a unique manufacturing process, or you offer something your competitors can't, or they won't. Number three is your USP, your unique selling proposition. Get specific here. Things like customer service. Do you have customer service that actually picks up the phone? That's wild in this day and age. Do you have superior quality that you can actually demonstrate? Can you show a guarantee or speak to a guarantee that no AI store could ever replicate? Number four, show you'll go the extra mile. Tell a story about when you went above and beyond. AI stores ghost when there's a problem. You don't. Give a real example of you fixing a problem for a customer. And number five, your cause beyond profit. This is the killer. AI stores exist to extract cash, but you're different. What do? You source ethically, you support local in your community. You must have a genuine reason for starting a business beyond just making a buck. Now, the magic is in the authenticity here. When you speak these points from the heart, customers can feel the difference between you and an AI operation. This is your unfair advantage. Make sure that you're using it. Now, I'm not saying that all AI is actually bad because I use it daily. I use it literally every hour. And I actually have a massive Easter egg here right now. I have a website AI analyzer tool that I've been dinking around with for, I want to say 6 months. I've prompted this AI workflow forever, and it's almost ready to go. And if you leave your email in the comments below, I'll make sure you're the first to know about it. Now, back to our little problem at hand. Here's some action steps that you can take right now. Why don't you audit your brand's trust signals? Do you have real customer testimonials with faces? Is there founder content on your website? Is it on your social media? Can customers see who is behind the brand? Next, create some authentic content. Film a simple founder story video. Show behind the scenes of your operation. Feature the real team members in your ads. Simple iPhone footage often crushes polished content because authenticity always dummies production value. Now, finally, use AI to enhance, not replace. Once again, quick plug, tools like my website analyzer will give you a creative analysis, which will allow you to focus on other parts of your business. So for the real ones watching this, the legitimate brand owners who actually give a damn about their customers, this AI trust recession is actually a pretty epic opportunity. The bar is on the floor right now. When everyone else is dinking around with AI, showing up as a real human is crazy, and as simple as it sounds, makes you superhuman. Now, if you want more strategies for standing out in the AI saturated market, hit subscribe. I'm going to drop videos on how to level up on Shopify quite frequently now with real strategies that work, not AI generated fluff.